The Middle East is once again on edge, and this time the ripple effects are being felt far beyond the battlefield. Hello and welcome to Commodity Today English. I am Megha, bringing you the latest insights from global events and their impact on market, commodities and everyday life. It all began with the major escalation after Iran reportedly launched missile attacks at US military base in Jordan, sending a strong signal that the conflict is entering a far more dangerous phase. But that was the only beginning. Soon after, US and Saudi-led strikes targeted multiple locations across Iraq. According to reports, at least 20 Iraqi fighters were killed, while dozens more were injured. With attacks now stretching across several countries, one question is becoming impossible to ignore. Is this conflict turning into a full-scale regional war? And then came another alarming development. In Egypt's Damietta port, two ships used for gas processing and storage caught fire, while Egyptian authorities have not confirmed the cause. Maritime security firm Embraer says an initial assessment indicates that a US-owned gas storage tanker was hit by a drone. If confirmed, it would mark yet another flashpoint in any already volatile region. But perhaps the biggest concern lies at sea. Iran has rejected Oman's proposal to divide transit routes through the Strait of Hormuz. That is one of the world's most critical oil choke points. Instead, Tehran is demanding complete control over the inbound shipping corridor and partial control over the outbound route. Any disruption here could affect nearly one-fifth of the world's oil trade. And the markets have already reacted. Within hours, Brent crude surged over 7.5%, crossing $90 per barrel, while WTI crude jumped nearly 7%, reflecting fears that global oil supplies could face serious disruptions. Back in India, investors are watching every development closely. The sensex opened around 700 points higher, while the nifty also gained sharply as markets reacted to rising commodity prices and the possibility of higher earnings for energy-linked companies. But the history has shown that prolonged geopolitical tensions can also fuel inflation, rise fuel prices, and create uncertainty for businesses and consumers alike. The question now is no longer whether the conflict is escalating. The real question is how far will it spread and who will ultimately pay the price. Stay tuned for latest updates from US-Iran conflict, and thanks for watching Commodity Today English.